Hi, welcome to valuationmediation.com. My name is Melissa Gragg, and I am a business valuation expert and financial mediator and testifying expert for over 20 years. So, if you're here, you're probably looking for a few different options. One is you're kind of frustrated in your divorce case and you're trying to figure out a better way. Two is you want to make a settlement offer and maybe your team's not helping you with that, and we can certainly do that. Or three, you just need some guidance in the strategy around the settlement offer process. So there's a few ways that you can work with us. As a financial mediator and business valuation expert, we can certainly come in and value the business. And typically we're doing a preliminary business valuation. So that means we're getting you enough information to put it in your settlement offer or enough information so that you can start to negotiate a settlement with your spouse. As a financial mediator, we also work with couples together if you can. And we give you the business valuation, a property statement, and we work through kind of on a weekly basis in 90-minute sessions to work through all the financial picture for your divorce. At the end, you'll have one of your attorneys draw up the paperwork and file it with the court, but we come in and help you with the financial settlement process. There's also ways to just work with us as consultant, and maybe you just need some strategy and you don't need a full valuation. That's great. We offer 90-minute strategy sessions, and those are going to be really where you dive deep into your case. We're going to have you upload documents. We'll probably put together a property statement because that's exactly how we negotiate a settlement offer, is starting with that property statement, listing all your assets and your debts. And then if there's something a little bit more, so typically there's either going to be a business valuation, a pension valuation, tracing of assets. So if you think that something is premarital or separate, then we can take a look and see if you have enough proof to prove it. You could also look at marital waste. And so those are going to be a list of questionable items and things like that. So obviously we're available to testify in the event that you move forward in your court case. But at the end of the day, we're really here to get you around the court system, which means that figure out how you can deal with the money either together or separately, and then work through a property statement to go to a settlement offer. Now, if you are going to mediation, we'd also be there for the mediation. A lot of mediation is done virtually, which means we can join via Zoom, or you can put us on the speakerphone and we'll just be listening and telling you how to negotiate your offer. So there's lots of ways to work with us. And again, you're probably stuck in the system right now, so we get it. But let us help you get financially around the court system. Your lawyers and judges typically don't understand this process, and they certainly don't understand how it could be actually pretty simple to get to a settlement offer, right? Everything's not as complex. We deal with cases that are as small as maybe $100,000 in assets all the way up to $1 billion in assets. We've seen it all. There's patterns that emerge. And if you want to get started today, go ahead and download our Anchor the Deal book. That'll give you a lot of the psychology and theory behind making that first settlement offer. And if you can work together, book a consult. Talk to us about your case. See if it's the right fit, see what the timing is and cost for your particular situation, and we can get started. So we welcome you. We hope to see you soon. And if you have any additional questions, check out some of our social media websites and you can ask the questions that you need. We also have a YouTube channel. So we're here to help. Book a consult if you want to talk specifically about your case. We'll see you soon.